ba roid to you in the big neach and ba fed Don which who was so Sagalaum. I was a failure, An Sagart Bàn I knew this from Casan.
Ben of Shneachd. We're going to do another story told by Sandaidh Camshron, Sandaidh Mabou and Ear-Thuath. He was from northeast Mabou, Ghiblean, and another story about An Sagart Bàn, a MacDonald from down Mabou way, and they tell tales about him. He used to tell tales about himself. And this one is An Stoirm mhór An Stoirm mhór the Great Snowstorm. Some things to watch for in the Gaelic in the story. Sandy says h-Albainn, he visited, and you would, if he visited Mary, h-Albainn he visited Mary. If you wanted somebody to come and visit you, you'd say t-Oll, no fíoch go t-Oll, see that you visit me. Another phrase you'll hear him say is Chavidói fhéin gachi. There'll be no way to get home. Chavidói fhéin gachi. Dáin, if you see an MH in a word, that gives it a nasal sound. So it's dáin, shin deep, but Sandy says dáint for deep, referring to the snow. He says in another place, Coinneach Posta, which is, he saw what appeared to be a post, a fence post. And I'll clean this off and give you a few more. Great modern technology we have today to do these things properly. A lot of dialects would say this word as h-Albainn, he tied. You'll hear Sandy say it as h-Albainn in Czech, he tied the horse. Háisiche, Ed, Siú, Ngúrst. Háisiche, he began. Ed, Siú, traveling, Mungurs, traveling around. He began to travel around. Okay, a way to say raining, as in it's raining, a shilling. It's raining a shilling. You'd also use it for if you were cut, you were bleeding, a shilling fág. Blood is full, but a shilling fág. He refers to an and probably a long E, an Gaelic, not a long E, short. An which tells us that sleigh is a feminine word. If it wasn't, it would be an sleigh. T- in the plain Jane tells us it's a feminine word, an sleigh. Okay. And if you're tying something, you tie it re something. So rish a charash to the cross. h-Albainn sin rish a charash. He tied that to the cross. h-Albainn sin rish a charash. Is phrase it towards the end. Hanagat. At, short for iat in common speech. Hanagat. They came down. Hanagat. Dhaoicheann. I haven't heard this word, too many using this word. Dhaoicheann. Some way, as in cuiteachn, somebody, aiteachn, someplace, ruiteachn, something, dhaoicheann, some way. Dh'inns Sandaidh. They came down somehow. So we'll listen to the story now. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Oh, ba roinn to go in the big naidheachd ba fed Donwick, who was so Saglaum. I was a Sandaidh Bàn I knew this from that An Sagart Bàn naidheachd. Hershaw, I guess, I Coinneach me in trip of Bial-aithris and sleigh. I guess, and instead of naidheachd about real letter instead. Dh'éirich Shneachd waach and a swaach. Caillou va höle gana t-Oll Shneachd fhéin an Sagart Bàn a bhítáir fhéin gachi Miguel was Shneachd down, agus chair how schomike merken big past the fence na rutingen Kinjas as an trainach Kewlen Jech is past the show agus how she shiu mon goors how she dh'insh got it was shillig agus Leeuw Sneachd oerle, agus. Hoe kan soeling am terug? An dh'éirich and sleigh. Hoe is geef amach ecoas, agus. Some rische garage, ken wat jij dh'éirich. Het wat een grachel hoe is gehaard.
En de gaak in de hitte.
Wel, als je han ik het nuance en de ken je Donwick, who was so Saglaum.
There was a fellow, MacDonald's, up in the glen.
I was a Sandaidh Camshron
And one of them, they called him the Sandaidh Bàn, the white priest or the white-haired priest. And he's about to say, I don't know why. There's one or two of them was good at stories. But this fellow was exceptionally good, the Sandaidh Bàn, for storytelling.
I Coinneach me in trip of Bial-aithris and sleigh.
And he was telling about this time he was travelling with the horse and the sleigh.
And instead of naidheachd about real letter instead.
And this fearfully bad snowstorm brewed up. There was never the likes of a storm like that. It started snowing for days and days. Anyways, he was travelling, he was going, and he visited at 2 or 3 places. With the snow being bad there, he said to himself, well, it's best for me to be getting home, or there'll be no way to get home. And eventually, the snow was so deep, he got lost.
Past the fence now,
and he saw what appeared to be a fence post or something coming out of the snow. And he tied the horse to this post. And he started travelling around. God didn't it started to rain. It got warm and it was raining and raining and raining.
agus Yew Shneachd Ula.
And the snow, all of the snow melted.
Agus Uka Suling am Thrush.
And he took a look after a little bit.
An Sagart Bàn, who was Jevamach Equash.
The horse and the sleigh were up in the air. What was it but a church?
Agus somebody Shachalash, Shanojan.
And it was to the cross, which would have been on the top of the steeple, that he tied the horse.
Satan Garachel, who was Cahards.
And they were hanging up there, high up there.
An de gaach in hitte.
And Coinneach Nilsen says, did he leave them there?
Well, I said, I get the nuance and the
Well, it would seem they got down somehow, he said.